So I'm going to make a quick $15, $20. I really don't know. It could be $5. My wife is, we went to get an outfit today for pictures. We're doing Christmas pictures today. And we drove her up here to get her lashes done. And this is how we've always been, and this is just what I'm doing. So she's about an hour getting her lashes done. So I was like, you know what? I'll squeeze in a couple Uber rides locally here. So it's currently active. I might get beeped any second. And that's kind of the goal, is to squeeze in a couple Ubers, because what else am I going to do? Play games on my phone, waiting on her, you know? Like, so, you know, I'll update you if I get any rides or something, not with the person. But to me, this is the path to success, is the obsession of finances and profit and how to make money and grow. And I really do feel, if you talk to any rich person today, while they were coming up the ranks, this is what they did. They struggled. Like this morning, I made some tinctures, right? Well, I'm still making those, but you'll see that video now or soon or something. And then right now I'm doing a couple Uber rides, right? So I'm constantly thinking about, how can I make money? How can I improve? And that's what it's about, the grind, and just do it. And ultimately, like, to me, it's a lot of fun doing these things. It's a lot of fun. But my end goal is to have financial freedom. And to me, what financial freedom means is the ability to just, I know a certain dollar amount, maybe, you know, not terribly much, maybe 6,000 or 7,000 a month coming in all on its own. I do zero effort for it, you know, and then from there I'm always going to have hobbies and things like that. But that's kind of my goal. I just want to build a little system that produces that kind of money, and then live a great life, because I'm young and I want to see the world and I want to experience it while I'm young. All right, just got finished. I did 2 rides. I'm just sitting here in the parking lot waiting on Macy to get in the car. I did 2 rides, one for $5, one for $7. I haven't seen a tip yet from either of those, but I don't really count on tips. It's, yeah, I just don't, I mean, if they tip, they tip. But, so what is that, $12 or something I made just for driving around a little bit. And to me, it gave me something to do. It, you know, I got $12. And even if you have a bunch of money in the bank, it's like $12 is $12. You know, that'll buy you a little meal. Like, we're getting pictures done. She got her lashes done. So we basically got a $12 discount on those things for just a little bit of effort I did. So again, continue the hustle. And this is my real experience about my path up to success. And just follow me, you know, just follow what I am doing. And because I feel like I have earned a percentage of success. So, and I do feel that if I continue this path, I'm going to have large success. And so just follow along with me and then mimic what I'm doing. I obsessively think about money and how to make money. But I just want to do that for a short time in my life. I want to get to a place that I don't have to obsessively think about it. I can just be more creative. So, and I guarantee if you ask any wealthy person what they did at the very beginning, not what they do now, because what they're doing now is kind of coasting, or they're projecting higher from a place of power. Somebody that has a bunch of money or influence, if they want something to move, they're not doing the same strategies or the same oomph as somebody from the bottom like me, you know, or even because I'm one step up, you know, just one step. And so just hustle, grind, and kill it. And I am showing you myself, I am doing it, not just saying it. So get out there and make some money.